Alright guys, this is a very, very fun lock. This is pinned up by Crispey Bear. I think this is the first lock of his that I've ever opened. And it's called the Aluminium. And it has two eyes, not aluminum, as they say here in America, but this is the Aluminium. Here's the key. It works very smoothly. And it's interesting. No surprise, but this is made out of aluminum, or made out of aluminium, which is interesting. So it's a very, very light lock. Like I do for most Yale keys, I'm going to use my thick Z-bar. We'll go clockwise. I'm going to start off with a Peterson hook number 1, and I'll change if I need to. But as far as Yale keyways go, this is somewhat wide open, so let's see what we have. Okay, got one click. A few more clicks. I don't think I set that though. Let's see. Oh, okay. Chopped into a very nice falset. There we go. Alright. Now the first few times that I tried this, that lock did not open that quickly. That was my second time opening it. First time I spent about 10 minutes trying to open it counterclockwise without any luck whatsoever. And I spent another 5 minutes trying to open it counterclockwise, no luck. So then I switched to clockwise and it worked. I don't know if this will be the right clips for this. No, I don't think it will. I'm gonna have to go grab my other ones. Alright, I'll be right back. There may be a way of removing these clips non-destructively. If you know, please let me know. Generally, I just kind of stretch them a little bit. Try not to completely ruin them, so I can reuse them, but and if you hear any, oh, dang it. You can tell this has been stretched before. It's quite brittle. If you hear any like coughing, that's the baby monitor. My 16-month-old baby girl has had a cough for a few days now, so my wife's actually with her right now to help soothe her so she can sleep. Alright. The pins will come out here. Very nice. Get these out of the way, we don't need those anymore. Let's see what we have in the Aluminium. 1 and 2 you hardly had to touch, and then 3, 4, and 5 you had to lift up quite a bit. I'm seeing threading in every chamber. 1 serrated, 2 spool, 3 kind of a combination, 4 serrated, 5 is normal. Okay. Move our shim. Go for number 5. Beautiful. Narrow-waisted spool with a wafer. That's interesting. And I reassemble it off to see if it needs the wafers or not. This is the way that it came out. It's got some beautiful illustrations up top. Come on, focus for me. And a narrow waist, kind of like an hourglass. I'll see if the serrations would come into play or not. Okay. Kind of a drunken serrated spool. That was there. Number 1. Normal. So far, all the springs are different. Okay. Last. Number 2. This has a single serration and a sharp lip. Come on. Very nice. And that spring is yet another one. Okay. Now really quickly, because this hasn't been too long of a video, I'm going to put in number 4 and see. So, this is how it came out of the lock. So as beautiful as those serrations are, they wouldn't come into play whatsoever. Now if it were flipped around, you would only have serrations. So when I'm making security pins, I see how long the driver is and how much room I have, how long the key pin is and how much room I have with the driver. Like this is exactly how I have it, where the second key pin is pretty long, so the only thing that's modified on this driver is just the very tip, because you can have serrations or whatever you want up here, but it will never affect it. So I prioritize my time and try to only modify the section that it will actually come into play. But alright guys, that was the Aluminium pinned up by Crispey Bear. You can see the serrations in there. This is unmodified. Alright, if you have any questions or if you liked what you saw, please let me know. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please check it out. I don't know if Crispey, or I said please check it out, please subscribe. You're already checking it out. I don't know if Crispey Bear has a YouTube channel, just makes locks, but I'll look into that. If I can find his channel, I'll put a link in the description. If you'd like to trade challenge locks with me, please let me know. Put my email in the description as well. Thank you very much for watching.